In this video, we will review the Java I/O available within the Java programming language. You should have already had exposure to the Java I/O in the VTC course Java 7 Language Basics, so we will quickly be reviewing it in more depth. The Java NIO 2.0 has come forward with many enhancements. It's also introduced new classes to ease the life of Java developers when working with multiple file systems. JDK 7 has the addition of file change notifications. This feature, part of NIO 2.0, the Watch Service API lets you receive notification events upon the changes to the subject, the directory, or the file. The steps involved in implementing the API are to create a watch service. Here we have a watch service, we have a path, and we register the watch service with this path. In this case, I'm using ctemp temp. Here's an example. Let's create the directory monitoring class named dirmonitor, whose responsibility is to monitor a particular directory. Let's create our watch service. As you can see here, we create a watch service. This service consists of a queue to hold watch keys. These are the watch keys here: entry create, entry delete, and entry modify. While registering, we specify these events that we want to receive. We have to start an infinite loop so we can listen to these events. When an event occurs, a watch key is placed into the queue. We're going to be consuming the watch key and invoking queries on it, such as what kind are they? Let's run our program. At this point, our programming is just listening to the file or directory that we specified in the path, temp.temp. Now what happens if I place a new document in here? We get an event on new text document, number 2.text, entry created. Now we have event on new text 2 is entry deleted. This is a very useful API that JDK 7 has introduced. This concludes our discussion of the Java I/O.